Don't eat bread, make this recipe for your breakfast, easy and healthy. For this recipe, let's start by adding half a cup of oatmeal in a container. Put a little water. Mix very well with a spoon. And let it rest for about 8 minutes. Now we will be grating a medium carrot. And guys, this wonderful recipe, I'm sure all of you who make it will love it, and will repeat it. Now add 1 of butter in a skillet. Add our grated carrots. Mix very well. Add a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of black pepper. A spoonful of oregano. We're going to cool it down very well, and people are already commenting there for me. What city are you watching us from? I'll send you a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. I will now add the carrot to a plate. Put the oatmeal. Add 2 eggs. A teaspoon of salt. Put 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. And mix very well. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Isabella from Boston. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. Now I'm going to add some butter. In a frying pan, add our recipe and spread it very well. Cover and cook over low heat for about 7 minutes. Okay, you've already cooked one side. Now with the help of a plate, I'll be turning, covering and letting the other side cook. Our recipe was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.